Just nice, see reality. It's just a cool family, being good to each other. I'm so tired of terrible people being admired for being terrible people. But your beard is awesome, and your kids are awesome, and your wife is hotter than expected and awesome. Oh, Shay, Carl and the Shay Charts. Oh, Shay, Carl and the Shay Charts. Oh. You've become an adjective of your own. It means something between extra large and awesome. Dude, check out this Shea stuffed pretzel. Whoa. I'm so tired of terrible people being admired for being terrible people. You're a regular guy, but you try to be something